In this video, I am going to show you how you can do a auto scrolling feature in Protector. The manual step will be, I will be open Google, I will search for some items, and once I search for some items, I do see a scroll bar in the right hand side of the corner. So if we want to scroll it down to some level, say we want to scroll it down, we are doing manually. Now using the Protector automation code, I will handle this part, that is the scrolling feature, automatically. So let's begin the coding session, and in the coding part I've already written browser.get, and inside that browser.get I will write https www.google.com. okay, now in the main part I will write element by.xpath, and in the xpath we will just copy this element, inspect, copy this one, right click, copy xpath. Okay, and we will pass the value here, and we will write there dot send keys, and we will write some term. So we have done that. We have completed the locating of the element xpath. Now we will do the clicking part. So for the clicking part we will write element by dot name. We will be using the name dot click. Okay, so what will be the name here? Let me inspect it. The name here will be this one, button K. Okay, so we will write that button K, and then we will do the main execution script for scrolling, which is browser.execute script, and that will be windows.scroll, write that window.scroll, and we will write scroll to at which position, that means 0 to 100 or 0 to, I will write that 0 position to 2000 position. Okay, so for that we will write here 0 to, as we are coming out vertically down, so this position becomes vertically down. Okay, and this position is horizontal. Okay, from left to right. So we will do that, scroll down, we'll give a semicolon, and we will also write that then if function needed, we will write that function. Okay, so that's the complete script of scrolling down. Okay, browser.execute script, windows.scroll 0 to 2000. Okay, so we will add some browser.sleep to make our execution a bit slow, so that you can understand each and every steps. I will add a 3 seconds, and once we are done we will run this script. To run we will write protector conf.js, and once we write that, our execution will start. Initially it will open the Firefox, then it will open Google, it will search for an item, click on the search bar, click on the search button, and then it will do a scrolling features, and then it will do a scrolling. Okay, so let's see what the execution, how the execution goes. It has opened the Google, it search for the item, it has entered the value. Now it will go on Google search. Now see the scroll bar, and the scroll bar will move horizontally down. So see, the scroll bar has been horizontally down using the execute script code. So this is how we handle the scroll bar using Protector automation testing.